Inventory. I am removing items from my refrigerator. Cheeses that wouldn't save, vegetables that had hoped for another day, strange meats forgotten in the attic. There is rancid stuff in jars. There is wilted stuff in baggies. I acknowledge them and say goodbye. In the basement, there is a unique kind of sweet potato, which was given by a friend. I'd forgotten about them both. Okay. Remember me like the mushrooms, spongy yet dry, earthy but otherworldly as well, phallic but not obviously so. After deep rains, I'll emerge through the grass, a cameo, but not a complete surprise. Safe, but not everyone will know that. Okay. Still lost. Today, I found my jacket. It had fallen from a hanger in my closet. Yesterday, I found my glasses. They were spread on my kitchen table. The day before, I found the overdue library book. It had dropped behind my bookshelf. The day before, I found my keys. They were lolling below my desk. Still lost. The lyrics to that song. Maybe they lie on the floor of my closet. Still lost. My philosophy. Maybe it's sprawled on my kitchen table. Still lost. My way. Maybe it lurks below my desk.